Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us learn about differentials. Let y equal to f of x be a function. We know that the differentiation is dy by dx. Here the differential is dy. For example, if we take y equal to x square, then the differentiation dy by dx equal to 2x. So differentiating x square, we get the answer 2x. And the differentiation we write it as dy by dx. From this the differential is dy. So just cross multiply this dx. We get dy equal to 2x into dx. So this dy is called differential. Now let us see the problems. Find differential dy for the function y equal to x power 5. First write the given y equal to x power 5. We have to differentiate this. For that we use the differentiation formula. If y equal to x power n, then dy by dx equal to nx power n minus 1. So comparing this, x power 5, here n value is 5. So therefore dy by dx equal to 5 into x power 5 minus 1. We have to find the differential dy. So just cross multiply this dx, we can get dy. So therefore dy equal to 5x power 5 minus 1 is 4 into cross multiplying this dx, we get right side dx. Therefore dy equal to 5x power 4 into dx. Next problem, find differential dy for the function y equal to 4th root of x. Write the given y equal to, this 4th root of x can be written as x power 1 by 4. So then only it will be of the form x power n, and we can use this same formula. Here n value is 1 by 4. So therefore dy by dx equal to, using formula nx power n minus 1. So we get 1 by 4 x power 1 by 4 minus 1. Now the differential is dy. So just cross multiply dx, we can get the answer. So therefore dy equal to 1 by 4 x power, taking LCM, this 1 by 4 minus 1 is minus 3 by 4 into dx. Similarly, next problem, find differential dy for the function y equal to 3 plus sine 2x whole power 2 by 3. Here also we can apply the same formula x power n. Here x means this full bracket, that is 3 plus sine 2x whole power n value is 2 by 3. So first write the given y equal to 3 plus sine 2x whole power 2 by 3. Now dy by dx equal to, using the formula nx power n minus 1. So 2 by 3 into this bracket whole power 2 by 3 minus 1. Here x is this bracket. So we have to differentiate this bracket again. So differentiating this bracket, 3 constant is 0 and sine formula cos. So sine is cos 2x into coefficient of x is 2. We can use the formula also directly. If y equal to sine mx, then dy by dx equal to m cos mx. Here the meaning is sine differentiation cos. So cos mx into multiply the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is m. So we get dy by dx equal to m cos mx. So differentiating this dy by dx equal to, we use the formula nx power n minus 1. So 2 by 3 into this bracket whole power 2 by 3 minus 1. Into again we have to differentiate this bracket. So differentiating this bracket, 3 constant 0, sin 2x, differentiation is 2 cos 2x. So this is equal to 2 by 3 into bracket whole power 2 by 3 minus 1. Taking LCM, we get minus 1 by 3 into second bracket 2 cos 2x. Final answer, this number multiplied 2 into 2, 4 by 3 into this cos 2x divided by this bracket whole power 1 by 3. See that here we have bracket whole power minus 1 by 3. If we bring it down, it will become power plus 1 by 3. And left side we have dy by dx. So cross multiply this dx right side. So therefore dy equal to 4 by 3 into cos 2x divided by bracket whole power 1 by 3 into dx. Next problem, find differential dy for the function y equal to 1 minus 2x whole cube divided by 3 minus 4x. So write the given. Here we have to use the formula u by v. So here u is numerator 1 minus 2x whole cube and v is denominator 3 minus 4x. Differentiating this, u dash equal to x power n formula, nx power n minus 1. So 3 into bracket whole power 3 minus 1 is 2 into again differentiate this bracket 1 constant 0 minus 2x differentiation minus 2. Next v dash, v is 3 minus 4x. Differentiating this 3 constant 0 minus 4x differentiation minus 4. Now we know the formula for u by v. If y equal to u by v, then dy by dx equal to v u dash minus u v dash divided by v square. So apply the formula here. Dy by dx equal to v u dash, v is 3 minus 4x into u dash. So this is u dash 3 into bracket square minus 2 minus u v dash. This is u 1 minus 2x whole cube into v dash. V dash is minus 4 divided by v square. So v is 3 minus 4x whole square. So this is dy by dx. So we use the formula v u dash minus u v dash divided by v square. So this is v into this is u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. And now just to simplify, we can get the answer. Finally we have to cross multiply dx. So now dy by dx equal to, we can take 2 common and also see the bracket 1 minus 2x whole square. Next term we have 1 minus 2x whole cube. So we can take 1 minus 2x whole square common outside. So taking 2 into 1 minus 2x whole square common outside, we get the remaining terms minus 3 into 3 minus 4x plus 2 into 1 minus 2x. This minus into minus plus. Already we have taken 2 outside, so we have remaining 1 2 here. Into whole square taken outside, so we have one more bracket, this 1 minus 2x divided by v square. So this is dy by dx equal to 2 into 1 minus 2x whole square into this bracket, just to multiply this minus 3 into 3 minus 9, minus into minus plus 3 4s are 12x. This also multiply inside, 2 into 1 2 minus 2 into 2 4x divided by whole square. Now we can write the final answer, 2 into 1 minus 2x whole square into this bracket 12x minus 4x is 8x, minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7 divided by bracket 3 minus 4x whole square into dx cross multiply right side. Then only we can get the differential dy. So therefore dy equal to 2 into 1 minus 2x whole square into 8x minus 7 divided by 3 minus 4x whole square into dx. This is the answer. Next problem, find df for f of x equal to x square plus 3x and evaluate it for first one x is equal to 2 and dx equal to 0.1. So find the differential df, after that substitute the given values. So first given f of x is x square plus 3x, differentiating this df by dx equal to x square differentiation is 2x, 3x differentiation is 3. This dx cross multiply right side, so we get df equal to 2x plus 3 into dx. So this is the differential. Now just substitute the given values and get the answer. Substituting the given x value 2, so 2 into 2 plus 3 into dx value given is 0.1. This is equal to 4 plus 3, 7, 7 into 0.1. So the answer is 0.7. Similarly, second subdivision also same problem, values are different. So here also given f of x equal to x square plus 3x and the differentiation also same step, df by dx equal to 2x plus 3. And here also the differential df equal to just cross multiply dx. So we get 2x plus 3 into dx. Now substitute the given values. In this second subdivision, the values are x is equal to 3 and dx equal to 0.02. So 2 into x value 3 plus 3 into dx value 0.02. 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 into 0.02, that is 0.18. Similarly, next find df for f of x equal to x squared plus 5 whole cube and evaluate it for x is equal to 1, dx equal to 0.05. You write the given f of x equal to x square plus 5 whole cube. Here we use the formula x power n. We know that formula nx power n minus 1. Here x means this full bracket. Whole power n means 3. So using that formula, df by dx equal to nx power n minus 1. So 3 into this bracket whole power 3 minus 1 into again differentiate this bracket. Differentiating this bracket, x square differentiation 2x plus constant differentiation 0. Now next step, just cross multiply dx. So df equal to 3 into bracket square into 2x. Cross multiplying this, we get dx. Now we can substitute the given values. This 2 into 3 multiply 6 into bracket x value 1, so 1 squared 1 plus 5 whole square into again this x value is 1 into dx is 0.05. Now 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 square 36, 36 into 6 216 into 0.05. Finally multiply this, we get the answer 10.8. Similarly, let us see the final problem. Find df for f of x equal to cos x and evaluate it for x is equal to pi by 6, dx equal to 0.05. Here given f of x equal to cos x. Differentiating this, cos x formula minus sin x. So using that formula, here df by dx equal to minus sin x. Just cross multiply this dx. So we get the differential df equal to minus sin x into dx. Substitute the given values. This is equal to minus sin x value pi by 6 into dx value 0.05. Pi by 6 means 30 degree and we know that sin 30 degree 1 by 2. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 0.05. So the final answer is minus 0.025. Thanks for watching.